Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to December. We outside. We
So what are you doing today? What are you doing today?
My brother's Ijoto.
And what do you think about it?
It's going well now. Before I had my
What do you think about? What do you think about the Ijoto tradition? Like, what is it about in one sentence?
Basically, you change the guru moto and then you walk yours up. So practically, you just sit down there and be writing names of people that give you money. Then you give them souvenir. Then they'll keep bringing money and some presents, and you'll be giving them souvenir. And people that are questionable also, you give them wrapper.
Okay.
Some men and women from the family, they'll give them wrapper.
Okay. Alright.
That's the whole also.
You look good. Alright, bye.
Why are you hiding? That's what TikTok everything. She's the black. I want her to
Oluchi, why acting as if you lost the game?
That's not how I am. I'm just
Come here, we see the body. Green body make I roll, come here. I know you seen on me. I get the money pass your papa. Wait till you want way I know feel do for you. Why you want the boogan one? Share you be kiss than any. You better drop your body and more. Suffer with this body. Make you run, I'm on a low key. Baby, you know me. Take it to sick move where you know. Breathe. Come make a drive your come make a drive this on the road. Baby, allow me. If you are feeling allow me. See body, oh. See body, oh. Yeah, body, oh.
A beacon of love and kindness, touching the lives of all. A retired educator, have beloved husband of 33 years.
I'll read it for you now. Dear Mom, I'll never forget the kindness and love that you brought to our home. Although I'm deeply saddened by your passing,
Mom, you were the most caring person.
I went on. This is gonna take our week now.
So much for identifying with
End of occasion, occasion continuing.
Let's go.
It's like step up.
Let's go.
is original.
Your hand is good too. I mean you. One person is everything. Oh.
Why did you go to go and guys?
Hi, say hi.
So today we are going for a band day and we are dressing up to go. I haven't made any single voiceover since this vlog started, and this is my first voiceover, and this is like the 5th activity or the 4th activity we've had. So yep, we're dressed and we have like a jewelry kind of thing on our waist, and then we're stepping out. I don't make up throughout this entire vlogging, so this entire holiday. I didn't want to be on makeup because I'm trying to like fix my skin.
Love me your body, baby, as you're whining your body, baby, so crazy. Love me your body, baby, girl, you want to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, every day you don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Baby, baby, everybody say no one loves you the same. No one wants you the same way. That's till the morning. My one to come on the loving. I just wanna get you the
do it. Why do you want to stop? Doing well. Good now. Are you hearing about this? What is that? Natural. Stop it, that's a problem. You said they will. I'm the one still working.